guys, and welcome back to day 21 of unboxing the Beatles Advent Calendar. We are a few away from done, finally, half a year later. Maybe if we're lucky they'll release a new one this year and we can do it all over again. So anyway, you guys, I hear you groaning from here, but I love it anyway, so. Very lightweight. Loving the Beatles one aesthetic. But yeah, so. Very flat, whatever it is. Is it a magnet? Like a floppy one? Oh, wait. Okay, they're either stickers or, but they're upside down. Are they iron-ons maybe? No, I think they're just stickers. But like, weirdly washed out ones, and also backwards, which is strange. Like, I'm not sure why they're mirror flipped, because even the words are backwards. It's like somebody made these and didn't know what the fuck they were doing. But like, they're Yellow Submarine ones, so I love them anyway, but like, we've got Paul, we've got, let's stick into it, John, we've got Ringo, and we've got Georgie boy. It's just very strange that they're so desaturated and faded, and it's also backwards. These feel very cheaply made. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna double check the outer box and see if maybe I'm wrong on what they are. Because, I mean, if they were iron-ons, that would make sense for them to be backwards. Not for them to be faded, but I mean, for them to be backwards, sure, but I feel like they're stickers. So, I don't know, but they're still cute. I still like them. So, anyways, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. I lost my place. I don't care. Make sure you're following my social media accounts. My Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.